Hey guys, in this short video we're going to have a look at the new Tower 9.1 for Windows, which includes support for Gitea as well as Gitmoji. Sounds good? Let's go! Alright, first things first, what is Gitea? Gitea is a code hosting platform, much like GitHub, that accepts your data, your repositories, so that you can collaborate with others and keep your data secure. The main difference is that you can self-host it, so basically you can install it on a VPS, for instance, by following either the official documentation or our own tutorial on the Tower blog if you prefer. If self-hosting is not for you, don't worry, there's also the option of using gitclient. Gitclient is a plan from Gitea that allows you to have a fully managed solution, so have a look at the features, have a look at the pricing and see if it's for you. Okay, let's find out how easy it is to connect our Gitea account to Tower so that you can manage our repositories and inspect pull requests. So to get started, let's go to the services view and you'll notice there's a new Gitea and Gitea self-hosted options. There's also here on the bottom left corner, as you can see, Gitea self-hosted. In this example, I'll show you, we have actually a self-hosted version already ready to go. So this is the host name, and then let's get started by choosing the appropriate option, Gitea self-hosted. We have basic auth or PAT, personal access token. This has enhanced security, so it's the preferred, the recommended method. So let's add the host name and now my username. Now we need to set up a token to use here, so let's launch a browser window. Let's go to sign in. Let's log in. And here, let's go to settings, applications, and let's generate a new token. Usually I just give it a name, Tower for Windows. That's fine. We'll need access to the repo, to the organization, and this, let's add it to user, repos, and organization, for instance. Generate token, and this, you'll only see it once, so it's important to copy and go to Tower, add it here, add account, and it should be good to go. Okay, so as you can see, it found two repositories, which is exactly what I have here on the right. So now we can quickly clone a repository by clicking the clone button, choosing a folder, clicking clone, and now it's ready. You can open it, and have a look at the history, and go from there. Now let's have a look at pull requests. As you can see here, if I click on Melodify, this repo actually has one open pull request. You see it here. So in Tower, I'm already accessing this repo as well. If I click here on pull requests, you'll see we get not only the pull requests, but if I go to commits, I see the list of commits that this pull request has, as well as the files that actually changed. So you can see the change set here. And then you can interact with the pull request by going back to conversation, and you see you can add a comment, you can close the pull request or merge it. So you can do all of this without actually opening a browser tab, which is quite convenient. Next up, we have support for Gitmoji. What is Gitmoji? Gitmoji is an open source project developed by Carlos Cuesta. And the main goal is to label all sorts of commit messages with emojis, so that you can quickly see if it's a bug fix, if it's something that is just deployed, if it's content, if it's, for instance, a performance update. So if you have a look at the gitmoji.dev, the official website, you'll find over 80 emojis that address pretty much every possible situation. Yeah, so we thought it would be a nice addition to Tower for Windows. So how this works, you go to the working copy view, you create a commit message, you type : and you'll instantly get a drop down with all the Gitmojis available. So over 80 emojis to pick from, and then you type your message normally. If you access any history view of a branch, for instance, you'll see that we are now also displaying the correct emojis for each one. So if it's a Gitmoji repository, you'll definitely find the right emojis there. We think Gitmoji is a great way to create more expressive, meaningful commits, so you can have a look at our blog post on this topic to learn more about how to properly use Gitmoji on your projects, and of course, also check out our official blog post to learn more about the Tower 9.1 for Windows release. We hope you enjoy these improvements. Happy committing!